Hey guys, it's Ashlyn making slime today. You need glue, shaving cream, food coloring, laundry detergent, and some soap. Let's get started. So first you're gonna put in your Elmer's glue, and you just want to make sure all of it's out. Okay, all this out. Now, I forget this part every time. You need to put water in it. It goes all the way up to the top. That's it. And now, what you have to do is a shaving cream. Then you're just gonna mix it. Stir it for about 3 minutes. So, now, I'm just gonna mix the slime all thanks. Keep that in there for now. Now, I got blue food coloring. Let's do it. 1, 2. Now let's mix it. Oh, I like that color blue. That's a pretty color. It's like minty color. But then when you mix it too, you might get like a dark blue. So that's minty. I like that color. Then you're just gonna put some laundry detergent in. Just about that much. And then you can see it's piling up. That means it's working. Get all that down there. Then just put a drop of soap, and then you're just gonna start mixing it up. Now it's working better. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like this video. Bye.